21 Cresswell virtual tour. We did put a new cap on the chimney. Double car garage. Nice private street. Also great driveway. A lot of parking back here, as you can see. So there's a lot of stuff here. Let's go inside. This is a remodeled home, rehabbed, and it's been very much updated. Let's go inside. So let's go through the kitchen here. So you can see the kitchen is all new flooring and paint. There'll be a stove there. So dishwasher. Nice dining room. Big open floor plan here. New flooring, plug switches, lights. All very nice. There's your carbon. Refinished wood floors. Here's the first. There's 2 bedrooms on the first floor. All new blinds, plugs, switches, lights. Refinished wood floors, and you have a bathroom that's right here. Again, new flooring. It's a full bath, so you have all that. New toilet. And you have more floors in here. You can make this a bedroom if you want. So this could be a bedroom. It does have a closet. And here's a living room. See, it's a big living room. Again, new plug switches and lights. It's all been painted. That goes right into the dining room there. You can see how much of a room. There's a lot of room here. So you have all that. And let's go upstairs here. Again, these are painted stairs. So you have a whole nother area here. You know, all these floors have been painted. There's all plugs and switches, carbon. There's lights, new lights, blinds. Here's one bedroom up here. There's the closet. There's actually 2 bedrooms up here. So this is really nice. Here's the second bedroom up here. So you can see there, new plug switches, lights. Very open area, and you can use this for a play area or whatever you want right here. So this is a nice big area on this. Now this upstairs really helps, turn these lights off, helps get this a lot more room up here. So let's go down in the basement. We have a full basement here. Let me get this off here, I'm sorry. And let's go downstairs here real quick. Nice big stairs. Here again, you can kind of get a nice view of this. Let's go downstairs here. We painted dry locked the basement. It's a big basement down here. Had this clean and checked. There's your water heater. There. This is all dry locked. There's the laundry room right there. All the hookups are right there. And nice, do a lot with this down here. Use it for storage, or just use it as kind of a hangout, or just a place to be. And there's storage right in that room there too. So this is your virtual tour. 21 Cresswell, Bedford, Ohio. Thanks.